Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. On tonight's menu, hot farm bird sandwiches. The mise en place and prep all in one. Sauteing some shallots for the gravy. Starting to saute the onions for the chicken. Add some flour to the shallots to get a roux. Adding the garlic to the onions. Add some white wine to the shallots and flour. Adding the chicken to the onions and garlic. Add the herbs to the gravy. Adding the herbs and salt and pepper to the chicken. The gravy's starting to thicken. And the chicken's just about ready. The first layer with Hawaiian rolls and chicken. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Have fun cooking.